Hey people, so we are at this place called the Mirror Maze. Ayush, don't go too far off, please. So this is quite interesting. This place. This is in the ABN Mall. Loud music in the background. Ayush, careful, Raja. Careful. So I don't know how I intend to record and do this, and you can see a full length view of me. But this is a mirror maze, and I'm trusting my child to take me. I don't know whether we'll there we can follow someone. They are following. Oh God, where are we? So this is interesting. I don't know how we are doing this, but this is a mirror maze. Let's follow them. They know. Ayush, please come here with us, please.
Then stop
So-
recording.
Okay.
It's distracting.